Good morning to all. My name is Jagat, coordinator in New Model Vidya Higher Secondary School.
Good morning to all. My name is M. Daniel. I am studying third standard A section from New Model Vidya Mandir Higher Secondary School.
Here comes your first word, organ system.
ORGAN organ. SOSTM system. Organ system.
Bones.
BONES bones.
Skeleton.
SKELETON skeleton.
Muscles.
MUSCLES muscles.
Blood vessels.
BLOD blood. VESSELS vessels. Blood vessels.
Circulatory.
CIRCULATOR circulatory.
Respiratory.
RESPIRATOR respiratory.
Intestine.
INTESTINE intestine.
Kidney.
KIDNEY kidney.
Saliva.
SALIVA saliva.
Safety rules.
SAFETY safety. RULS rules safety rules.
Accident.
ACCIDENT accident.
Explode.
EXPLODE explode.
Electric shock.
ELECTRIC electric. SH washing shock electric shock.
Amber.
AMBR amber.
Corridor.
CORRIDOR corridor.
Antiseptic.
ANTISEPTIC antiseptic.
Panic.
PANIC panic.
Zebra crossing.
ZEBRA zebra. CROSSING crossing zebra crossing.
Blister.
BLISTER blister.
Standard units.
STANDARD standard. UNITS unit standard units.
Centimeter.
CENTI centimeter meter centimeter.
Kilometer.
KILOMETR kilometer.
Volume.
VOLUME volume.
Cylinder.
CYLINDER cylinder.
Thermometer.
THERMOMETR thermometer.
Celsius.
CLSIUS Celsius.
Fahrenheit.
FAHREN Fahrenheit heat Fahrenheit.
Ruler.